Today is my birthday! I am very happy! Wow, the living room is decorated! It looks so beautiful! Good morning, Tom, and happy birthday! Thank you, Mom! I cannot wait for my birthday party!
Tom, I need to go to work now. It is an emergency. Enjoy your birthday party.
Okay, Dad. Please come back soon. Dad will come back before the party ends. Your friends will come soon. Be prepared, Tom. We are here! Wow, the room is so beautiful! We are really excited. Happy birthday, Tom! Thank you, guys. This party is so fun! Happy birthday to you, friend. May you live long. It's time for the cake. Mom, when will Dad come back? He is busy right now, but I think he will be here soon. Dad forgot my birthday. Tom, don't be sad. We can still have fun. Can we continue the party? I am really hungry. Can we eat the cake now? You only think about yourself. Do whatever you want.
Tom, you are very rude to your friend. Say sorry to him.
I don't want to say sorry. Leave me alone. It's not fun anymore. We feel very upset.
I am sorry about Tom. After he calms down, he will apologize.
Dad does not love me. He is not here on my birthday. Oh, these are my old birthday videos. I am sorry for being rude. I understand now. It's okay, Tom. We forgive you. Let's light the candles. I wish my family is together now.
I'm back, my son, Tom.
Dad, you are back. I missed you so much. Welcome back, my friends. I'm sorry about yesterday, my friends. Please forgive me. Don't worry about yesterday. We forgive you. Thank you, everyone. Now let's enjoy the party.
I'm very proud of you, Tom. You realized you were wrong and apologized.
Thank you, Dad. Be kind. Say sorry. Family and friends are important. Did you like this story? Like the video and write a comment below. Subscribe for more fun stories with Tom and his friends.